Hello and welcome to the iOne Scorpius P20 Keyboard demonstration. Today I'll be going over the actual keyboard, how to use it, and what's inside it in the package. Comes in a compact box like this. This keyboard is a slim-sized keyboard with integrated thumbstick and joystick mouse capabilities. It comes in a plastic bag like this. And this one is actually our limited edition all black version, as you can see, and the joystick and the mouse buttons. And we also have our standard silver and black version, which looks like this. Packaged material includes the actual keyboard, which is measured about 12 inches by 6 inches, and it's very thin and light, as you can see. It also comes with the USB receiver, the extension cable, 2 AA batteries, and the user guide. And it actually features a 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity with a 33 feet range. So for presentations or your car PC or your HD PC and multimedia setups, it's perfect because, as you can see, it saves a lot of space by integrating the mouse and keyboard together. It's very easy to use because it's a plug-and-play application. All you have to do is put the battery in the back, or the USB receiver in the USB slots. You wait a couple seconds and it should read the device. As you can see, there's no wires holding me back. I can go far, up close, wherever I want to. You can browse the internet, chat, do whatever you want. And you can type without a problem. And this keyboard is very nice because it comes with the rubber membrane high quality key switch, and it has a good feeling and good grip on it. It also comes with 3 LED lights that let you know the transmitter, the function button, and when your battery is low. And the good thing about this keyboard is it has low power consumption technology, where it only consumes the battery life when you are actually moving the joystick or typing, as you can see. This retails for about $49.95. I think that's a very great price for a keyboard with a mouse built in and wireless connectivity. If you have any questions or concerns, you can shoot us an email at qmax@qtronics.com, and thank you for watching the demonstration.